How to change currency on MetaTrader 5. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the MetaTrader 5 application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to change currency on MetaTrader 5, tap on the Codes tab. It generally appears right after you open the application. Now, once you are in the Codes tab, you will be able to see your currency pair watch list. Now, once you are in the Codes tab, you can change your currency by simply tapping on the pencil icon on the top right of your screen. And if you want to reorder the pairs, you can do so by tapping and holding the handle at the left-hand side of your pairs. Now, once the pair is selected, drag the pair into the spot that you would like to change it to and then release it. Also, if you want to delete a pair, you can tap on the circle right in front of the currency and tap on the trash icon at the top right. So, this is how you can change currency on MetaTrader 5. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.